Okay, we're kind of in this area called Z.A.P.E and Z.A.P.E, and right now we're gonna go right by the Macau Grand Prix. Right there, there it is. Vroom. Stay tuned, we're gonna keep doing more on this street. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're kind of between Z.A.P.E and Z.A.P.E. There's some casinos over to the right. Actually, it's Fisherman's Wharf. And we're kind of on this, where the Grand Prix goes. So the Grand Prix cars go in this area, so it's kind of well known for that. And we're gonna kind of navigate around this Z.A.P.E area and just kind of show you. There's another casino to the left. I'm not gonna try to move the camera around too much because I'm focused on driving too. And as you can see, Macau is a little bit of a challenge when you drive. But I will move it over there. There's a casino right there, another casino right there, and a Fisherman's Wharf. So we're gonna navigate down one of these ways. And this is Zhuhai Hotel. And straight ahead you can see, what's that called? Taipa. It's a big mountain. Gia Hill is up there. So straight ahead is Gia Hill, but so straight is Gia Hill, to the left is Zhuhai Hotel, and then to the right is a kind of a water area, water recreational area. And we're going to be merging into traffic, so I have to slow down because there's a big giant truck right there. And there's CEM, that's the electric company. And there's a nice beautiful mountain to the right. They're creating another tunnel to the right there. Gas station straight ahead. And there's a hotel straight ahead too. There's Casa Real to the left. And we're kind of navigating in this is Z.A.P.E area. So there's Casa Real to the left. That's a casino and a hotel. To the right is a gas station. A little bit crowded. It always is in Macau. One of the world's most densest cities. Actually, there's other stuff that's a lot more dense than this. So this is kind of this Z.A.P.E is basically an area where it's all reclaimed land. So they built land around this area. They put dirt into the ocean. Let's see if I can get in this left lane. There we go. China Embassy to the left. Some people are trying to go to China, so they're doing whatever they need to do that. And actually, we're gonna go down a little bit further. And if you keep going straight ahead, you'll go into, well, you can see this giant thing straight ahead. This area I don't think is that interesting for driving, but if you've never been into it, then maybe it is. Maybe everything is a little bit. There's a Grand Lisboa Casino straight ahead. And we're gonna take a left and navigate into this little area. So yeah, I guess you're basically getting a little bit of a tour of Z.A.P.E. Z.A.P.E. To the left of me is a Polytech University. I don't know if we can go by that or not. We'll see if we can. We'll see if that's a left lane. I thought I saw something that said that that's not possible. Oh, it's possible. So let's go down it. So yeah, there's Polytech University to the left. Looks like it's under construction. Looks like it's under a lot of construction. It's completely blocked off now. And there's some other hotels and casinos straight ahead. I think the one to the right of me is called Million Dragon Hotel. And this, sometimes you can go around these buses, and I think this one might, oh, I better wait. Okay, he's gonna go anyways. Yeah, there's MPI, that big red sign that says MPI right there. That's Macau Polytech Institute. And actually, you're not gonna see all of Z.A.P.E, but you're gonna be able to see a little bit of it. So I'll just kind of cruise around in here. All these cars are illegally parked. Hope they don't monetize my... I got the music turned down a little bit. Okay, let's see if we can navigate through this. Okay, so we got a couple more casinos straight ahead, and it looks like these buses are kind of problematic because you have to try to get around them. So there's a Casino, Dragon. Can't read that whole thing. I think what we'll do is take a left here. It's a little bit, you have to stop for pedestrians, of course. There's Casa Real. Kind of going in a bit of a circle here, but what I'm trying to do is go to this China embassy, which you saw me go by, because I'm gonna see if I can try to get into China. I have a China visa before. Americans could get 10 years to go into China, but they cut it off for all foreigners because of COVID. So I have to apply again. It's okay though. And I think maybe we'll just end it right here. I think you got a good little taste of Z.A.P.E here, so. Chiquinha,